Welcome to my channel. Friends, choosing color combination for your home depends on your personal style, the room's purpose, and the mood you want to create. So today's video contains different color combination ideas. First segment of the video is about color combination ideas for living room. Friends, when envisioning your ideal living room, selecting a harmonious color combination plays a pivotal role in crafting an inviting atmosphere conducive to both relaxation and socializing. Choice of colors sets the tone for the entire space, influencing mood and ambience. Opting for warm, earthy tones like soft browns, warm beiges, and muted greens can evoke a sense of comfort and tranquility. Perfect for unwinding after a long day or engaging in leisurely conversation with loved ones. Alternatively, incorporating cool hues such as calming blues or soothing gray can create a sense backdrop that promotes relaxation while still providing an elegant setting for social gathering. By carefully balancing these colors and integrating complementary shades, you can cultivate a living room environment that effortlessly invites both relaxation and lively interaction, ensuring it becomes the heart of your home. Friends, you can see these are very beautiful ideas. You can apply these ideas freely in your home, in your living room. You can choose different colors from these ideas and apply in your home. Friends, happy colors are bright, warm colors like yellow, orange, pink, and red. Friends, our eyes catch red, orange, and yellow the fastest. Friends, these ideas are very beautiful and amazing. You can choose the colors from these ideas. You can apply these ideas freely in your home. Friends, please subscribe my channel, share, like, and comment on these ideas. Friends, the next segment of the video is color combination in kitchen design. When conceptualizing your kitchen design, the color combination you choose is permanent in establishing a space that is not only functional but also visually appealing and conducive to both culinary activity and social engagement. Selecting the right colors can enhance the overall atmosphere and functionality of the kitchen, making it a welcoming hub for cooking, dining, and gathering with family and friends. Consider incorporating warm, inviting tones such as creamy whites, soft beige, or warm grays to create a cozy and inviting ambience that encourages relaxation and culinary exploration. Alternatively, bold and vibrant colors like deep reds, rich blues, or energetic yellow can infuse the kitchen with energy and personality, inspiring creativity and fostering lively conversation during meal preparation. By carefully curating a harmonious color palette that, that reflects your personal style and complements the kitchen's layout and architectural features, you can transform it into a space that seamlessly blends functionality with warmth and hospitality, making it the heart of your home. Friends, these ideas are very beautiful. You can apply in their kitchen freely. Friends, please like, comment, and share these ideas, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.